Despite the State Election Commission's decision to not provide data to President Trump's voter fraud panel, they may still get it. The state's Republican Party chairman says he's going to buy the voter data and turn it over to the Presidential Advisory Commission. The State Election Commission says a registered voter has the right to buy that info for $2,500 as long as it's not used for commercial purposes. The information includes names, addresses, voting history, date of birth, race, and gender. 45 states have already refused to give up that information.